Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today on Simply Mercy B is all about appetizers. So we're making a cheesy mozzarella garlic bread and we're going to stuff it with meatballs. Let's take a look at our ingredients. Okay, today we're making our meatballs from scratch and you're going to need some type of a ground meat, and today I'm using ground turkey and I like the 85-15 ratio. You're also going to need some parsley, an egg, breadcrumbs, salt and pepper, pizza dough, and I got mine from my local grocery store. You're going to need some marinara sauce, shredded mozzarella cheese, butter, garlic minced, parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and onion powder. Okay, let's get ready to put this together. You want to go ahead and start chopping your parsley so you can get it nice and fine. I have a 3-pound package of ground turkey, but I only need 1 pound, so we're going to use our scale to measure out 1 pound. Let's get ready to roll our meatballs. And today we're going to bake them. And I've already sprayed my pan with a little bit of olive oil. And I'm taking a 1-inch scoop to roll my meatballs to ensure that they're all the same size. And once we're done, we're going to put them into a 400-degree oven and we're going to bake them for about 20 minutes. And during the last 5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip them over and let them cook for the remainder of the 5 minutes. So I bought 2 different pizza doughs, and this one here is the pre-rolled pizza dough. This one is very easy to work with because you can roll it out just a little and use a 2-inch cookie cutter to make your circles, and then you're ready to go. Okay, let's go ahead and flip our meatballs, and then I'll show you how I use the pizza dough ball to make my 2-inch circles. Okay, with this method you're going to use a little bit of muscle, and we're working with the pizza dough ball. You want to pinch off a small amount, put some cornstarch down on a smooth surface, and use your rolling pin, and we're going to roll it out into a 2-inch disc or a 2-inch circle. This one is a little bit fussy and it makes you work a little bit, but it's all worth it. But I do prefer the pre-rolled dough. So I decided to use my mini cast iron skillet to make individuals. Therefore, I'm going to have to cut my meatballs in half, and I'm going to have to cut my pizza dough in half so that I can accommodate my mini skillet. So now you want to work your dough just a little bit so that it can accommodate your meatball. Now take a teaspoon of marinara sauce followed by mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to put our meatball. In the round part, we're going to put it down first on top of the mozzarella. And we're going to wrap it up and shape it into a ball and place it into our skillet. For your garlic butter, you want to have your melted butter, add your parsley, minced garlic, and some grated parmesan. You're going to mix that well, and we're going to brush the top of our bread. So once our bread is done, we're going to be putting a dipping sauce in the center. So to keep that center open, I'm going to use this little foil pan to place in the center. That way, during the cooking process, it won't close the center up. Now we are ready to place them into a 350 degrees oven for about 20 minutes. Or until golden brown. So to get that beautiful crusted top, add some shredded Parmesan cheese, return it to the oven for another 2 minutes and watch it closely. After 2 minutes, you get these beauties. Make sure you take some more of your garlic butter and brush on top soon as you get them out of the oven. Add your condiment cups to the center and fill them with marinara. And this appetizer is ready. I hope you give this simple little appetizer a try. It is a very tasty little treat. And it's good, like I said, for movie night, game night. It's just a beautiful appetizer. So we're getting ready to cut into it. If you like pizza, you would definitely like this little appetizer. It's just a pizza in a ball. Guys, I really enjoyed sharing this recipe with you today. Please like, share, and subscribe. And leave me a comment. And until next time, remember, keep life simple, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.